Hello and welcome to this Edge interview, where I'm pleased to be joined by Jose Barreto, Principal Program Manager in the High Availability and Storage Group. And Jose's come to talk to us about a key area of our storage strategy, specifically storage quality of service. But before we dive into quality of service, or QoS, it's important to understand just what our strategy is around storage. We talked about backup and Azure Site Recovery earlier, but we've also got some cool investments in storage technologies right in the box within Windows Server. So Jose, thanks for coming along, firstly. We appreciate it, and I'm sure our community and viewers appreciate someone like yourself coming along. Tell us a little bit about our Microsoft software-defined storage strategy, because there's loads of terms out there like scale-out file server, QoS, deduplication. How do all of these bits fit together within Windows Server and System Center that make up our strategy?
Very nice. We have a number of scenarios that we can do with storage. One of them is the private cloud deployment, which is something we have been focusing on. And a few years back, if say 5 years back, we really relied mostly on our storage partners to provide a hardware-based solution. And these days, we are now offering a complete software-defined solution. What is a software-defined solution? You bring in industry-standard hardware, and that hardware has some basic components in there, hard drives that you want to turn into a storage solution. Now, in Windows itself, we can provide the resiliency for those disks. You can actually get the set of disks, create a pool of resources, and then out of that say, hey, I want a storage for my VM that has to have fault tolerance, that has to have resiliency. I want three-way mirroring. I want it to be deduplicated. I want it to have certain quality guarantees in terms of performance. So these are the kinds of things that we now have in Windows itself. Now, obviously, a lot of folks are continuing to use different kinds of solutions, but now they have an option. If they want to go with a Microsoft software-defined storage solution, there is something we offer end-to-end that covers all these things that we talked about.